Chelsey Hernandez here, cooking with ABC13. Today is my big sister, Clarissa, and we're making one of our all-time favorite childhood dishes.
Quesadillas.
Quesadillas, that's right. And we love this dish because we literally, during the summer, would cook this in our microwave while mom and dad were away at work. Now that we're grown up and we can use the stove, we're gonna do a little bit more adult-like recipe, but it's perfect for anyone, really. Okay, so first things first, let's go ahead and cut up some of our jalapenos.
You can cut as much as you want depending on how spicy you like it.
I feel like I put jalapeno in everything now. That was mom that likes to eat them by themselves.
She can handle the heat.
Because if you can't, you better get out the kitchen. Okay, so now we're actually gonna go to the heat now. So we're just starting with some GOYA olive oil. Just right on it, about 2 to 3 teaspoons there. And you're just gonna throw in your tortilla and some of our cheese. Sure. So this is some Oaxaca cheese. It's gonna melt really good inside there. I'm gonna throw in some of our jalapenos. Yummy. Just fold it in half. And you can hear it already starting to fry up. And you could just leave it open and put another tortilla on top if you wanted to use two tortillas, but we're watching the calories. You just want that golden color over the top, and that means your tortilla is nice and crisp. Okay, now it's time to try these awesome quesadillas that we just made on the stovetop, and they definitely seem like they have more of a crisp than what we ever got making them in the microwave, that's for sure. So we added a little bit of GOYA, pico de gallo, and some bell peppers, and of course some sour cream. So you ready? Mmm.
Very good.
Mmm. That's amazing. The jalapenos were perfect inside. Awesome recipe. Good stuff.